Okay, let's look at some more advanced features for the surface colors and these kind of things. Before we continue though, I don't like this secondary container that we get from the Jolly one. It's a little bit too light. So I'm gonna actually change that into something else. I had a pinned value there and then I'm gonna pin that and we get some nicer shades for it. This is something you can do, of course, manually. If you notice some of this, you don't like some seed color, and you can pin that one if it's a critical and important one. And secondary container is actually used quite a bit. Okay, so next let's look at what we can do with the surface colors. Oh, that's difficult. So yeah, one thing that you might want to have is monochrome surfaces. You can see there's a little bit of blue. Now that works pretty well in this case, but if you want to have just monochrome, just grayscale surface colors, you can do that by just toggling a switch here. Another thing you can do is to say that the main on color should be black and white. If I try that, you can see what changes. There is color now in this on color for it. It's slightly tinted. We can make it black. I kind of like when they have a little bit of color in them, so I'm going to keep that. But you also have this for the, if you are not using this, you can have it also, you see that these on colors for the surface colors, they also have a little bit of gray in them, or the tinted color as well from the surface. We can make that black and white. And we can again go back to the monochrome surfaces. So yeah, that depends on what kind of look you want. But I like this monochrome and then some grays in those. You can always make also then the surface color white. If you think that this is not nice, we can make that we have a clear white as the main surface color. That can be quite nice. And the same things apply in dark mode. You have to specify separately there that you want monochrome surfaces and maybe black main surface. Can work in some cases. I like it to not be that super black, but just a dark. But yeah, the tinted surface colors can get a little bit sort of old when you use them a lot. So there's a nice way of getting rid of all that in the Teams Playground and with FlexSeedScheme.